Namaskaram. This is Anand from Jothishi.com. In today's Learn Astrology video 1 minute series, we'll talk about the Chandra mantras. So, like we told last time, to study Vedic Astrology, one needs to connect with Mahavishnu and chant Vishnu Sahasranam daily. One also needs a connect with Bhagavan Surya, and Surya mantras can be chanted. Similarly, Chandra mantras are also very important, and these mantras to be chanted. So, for example, we can start with the basic mantra where you praise the father and mother of Chandra, which is Atraya Namaha, Anusuyaya Namaha. So these Atre and Anasuya are father and mother of Chandra. You can also chant the small Chandra mantra, Om Chandraya Namaha. No need to include any Beejas, but Om Chandraya Namaha. Whenever you see a Paurnami, a full moon, you can chant Om Chandraya Namaha. Another Chandra mantra that you can chant is Om Shiraputraya Vidmahe, Amrita Tattvaya Dheemahi, Tanno, Soma, Prachodayat. So basically Soma, Chandra. Any connection with sun and moon is very important in your chart once you want to learn Vedic astrology, because sun and moon are the cosmic father and cosmic mother, and hence it is the soul. Sun represents the soul, moon represents the mind. It's very good to have a good connect with sun and moon.